Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. I am so happy that you are here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get rid of belly fat by doing this workout lying down. No crunches. You guys know that I do not believe in doing tons of crunches to get rid of belly fat. There is a more effective way, and I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. You will need a yoga mat or something soft to lay on. If you don't have a yoga mat, just make sure that you're laying on something soft, because you will be doing some movements that will require you to move around and you don't want to be hurting yourself. So make sure that you're either on a bed or on a yoga mat. You will also need 2 dumbbells. The weight depends on your strength level. If you're new to working out, start off with 3 pounds or 5 pounds. And if you've been working out for a while, then please use a weight that challenges you. And last but not least, you will need a chair that's sturdy. Make sure that it's against the wall because we're going to be doing some movements that we're going to be leaning forward onto that chair. So make sure that it's sturdy and against the wall. Now that you have all of your props, let's get started. Make sure that you stay with me till the end of the video, because at the end, I'm going to show you what I recommend you do after every single workout. I recommend you do this because I have done it myself, and it has helped me tremendously when it comes to reaching my fitness goals. Okay, so the first exercise that we're going to do is the hate crunches leg raises. Now I'm going to show you how to do this exercise. So bring the heels up underneath your butt as much as you can and the toes facing straight forward. From there, you're going to lift both legs up so that they are perpendicular to the ground. So again, heels are all the way up underneath your butt, toes facing straight forward, and then you're going to lift both legs up. Once you get tired, you're going to lower one leg down and then alternate. So as you can see, I'm bringing my right leg down and then alternating. So one side gets rest while the other side is still working. Okay? So again, this is called the hate crunches leg raise. We're going to do 20 repetitions. Make sure that you take your time and you do this slowly. That means you're going to bring your leg down slow and then alternate slow. That means that each leg is going to work and you're going to get those deep belly fat burning muscles going. This will help target your obliques, which will help with having a nice little V cut here. We're going to do 20 repetitions. As you can see, I'm counting along with her. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you're going to go backwards. So backwards, 16, 17, 18, 19, and then 20. Now I showed you how to do it on one side and then switching over to the other side. Again, you're going to do 20 repetitions, so you're going to count along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and then 20. Remember to breathe throughout the whole exercise. All right, now that we got the left side done and we got the right side done, we're going to put both legs back up in the air like we had them before. Both legs should be together. We're going to lower both legs slowly towards the ground, and then we're going to bring both legs back up. So now we're doing both sides at the same time. Remember to keep those abs tight, and we're going to do 20 repetitions. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and then 20. Great job. Next exercise is flutter kicks. So from the same position, keeping those abs tight, we're going to do flutter kicks. So you're going to lift both legs up again, toes facing straight forward, heels together, and you're going to lift both legs up. Now you're going to alternate just one leg at a time. So as you can see, I'm lifting my right leg and then alternating. So one leg works at a time. Now we're going to do 20 repetitions. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and then 20. Great job. Next exercise is heel taps. So you're going to bring both legs up in the air, keep those abs tight, heels together, toes facing straight forward. Now you're going to lift your hips up. Now you're going to tap both heels, trying to tap them at the same time. But if you can't tap them at the same time, tap one and then alternate. So that's what I'm doing now. So I'm tapping my right heel and then my left heel. So one at a time, or if you can tap them both at the same time, great. So we're going to do 20 repetitions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and then 20. Great job. Now we're moving on to the last exercise. Now this one's pretty fun. It's called the repose prank hold. I call it the repose prank because I feel like I'm pranking my abs and they don't know what's coming. They're like, oh, okay, we're relaxing, we're chilling, we're hanging out, and then whoa, there goes the prank. So you're gonna lift both legs up, both legs should be together, keep those abs tight. Now we're gonna lean forward. My head should be resting on the chair like this. Now I'm gonna grab the weights. Grab those weights, and you're going to bring both hands behind your head, and then you're going to lift your upper body up like this. Now we're gonna hold this for 20 seconds. Now, as we're holding this, we're gonna do knee lifts. So I'm lifting my right knee up, then my left knee up. So I'm switching back and forth, keeping everything tight. Remember, abs tight, head on the chair, butt on the ground, and then we're gonna hold this for 20 seconds. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the timer. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. Now that you've completed all of the exercises, I'm going to show you what I recommend that you do after every single workout. After every single workout, I recommend you drink water. Make sure that you drink water because you're going to be sweating. Depending on the intensity of your workout, you might sweat a little bit or a lot. So make sure that you drink water. Make sure that you stay hydrated. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, comment down below if you have any questions, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.